Okay, trying my new Tesla Model 3 Autopilot system on my twisty road, and as you can see, contrary to earlier, I can't really engage Autopilot before this point. Now it's certainly mistaken the speed limit, which it didn't do just a few seconds ago, and that's just too silly, so let's just push it over the edge and let's see if it reacts correctly. So this is 2021.4.15. Sorry for the poor road conditions. It's a few years ago I tried benchmarking the Autopilot system on my old Model S on these roads, and even if the road markings are pretty poor, as you can see, and the road surface is uneven and the asphalt is broken, the car behaves pretty good, except for the random speed limit error back there. So coming up to crux number 2, let's bend ahead of us and let's see how it goes. Going wide, very wide, too wide for my comfort, that's for sure. So much for that. Has it been any improvement since I got rid of my car back in 2017, or was it 2018? I'm not sure. 2018 it was. I'm not sure really. The big question one has to ask oneself is it worth it? Is it useful to use Autopilot on this stretch? This is a non-FSD car, of course. No FSD on this one. We're in Norway, Europe. There's not a point in, we don't have the FSD beta in this country. Let's try again, back again. As you saw from my other video with the Jaguar, it wouldn't engage at all at this road, the Jaguar steering assist, and my Audi e-tron, which I had, didn't either want to engage the traffic assist system on this kind of roads. And I kind of see why, because when I do this run a few times, the car behaves pretty randomly in different settings, so I'm not sure if it's really useful. The car drives itself, I don't really need to hold and it stays in the lane. Of course, we got this bicyclist in front of us just before the crux number 2. Let's see if we can take her. This phantom braking shit is just killing me. Let's see if it can take the crux number 2. And it does, even without markings. But what's the point? Really, that's a big question. Is it smart of Tesla to let the system drive you at this kind of roads, or is it just a technical gimmick? It's kind of technically cool that it's possible, but from a comfort standpoint it's just not comfortable, and maybe you get to be a little bit complacent, so that's not a good thing.